Hi guys, welcome to the often overlooked yet surprisingly significant space in your home, the area behind your toilet. While it may seem like an afterthought, the decor in this space holds the power to transform your bathroom from bland to breathtaking. So why should you pay attention to this hidden gem? Let's dive in. First and foremost, behind the toilet decor adds personality and style to your bathroom. It's an opportunity to express your unique taste and create a cohesive look that ties the entire space together. Whether you prefer sleek and modern or cozy and rustic, there are endless possibilities to elevate your bathroom's aesthetic. But beyond just aesthetic, behind the toilet decor serves a practical purpose as well. By utilizing this space effectively, you can maximize storage and organization in your bathroom. From shelves and cabinets to baskets and bins, there are countless options to keep toiletries, towels, and other essentials neatly tucked away. Furthermore, thoughtful decor behind the toilet can enhance the overall functionality of your bathroom. Incorporating plants or artwork creates a calming atmosphere and adds a touch of tranquility to your daily routine. Not to mention, behind the toilet decor can also help to conceal unsightly plumbing fixtures and pipes, giving your bathroom a more polished and finished look. With the strategic placement of decorative items, you can effectively camouflage these necessary but often unattractive elements, creating a seamless backdrop of your design scheme. So, whether you are revamping your entire bathroom or simply looking for a quick and easy way to refresh the space, don't overlook the potential of the area behind your toilet. With a little creativity and imagination, you can turn this often neglected corner into a stylish and functional focal point that elevates your bathroom to new heights.